Turn yourself into beautiful art with Midjourney and Discord. Look at these pictures. Let's begin. Go to this website. Here you need to create an account. Here you need to press register. Okay, create an account with your Gmail. Accept the terms and conditions. Complete this cache. Verify your phone number. Once again, complete this one. Enter the passcode you received. Here you enter the password. Continue, and go to your email. Here you see Discord email. Verify your email. Due to the security, it will ask you again to complete this cache. Continue to Discord. Alright, you are here now. I can also choose my profile picture here, my logo, or whatsoever you want to choose. Now create. Alright, so it is done. Now check it out. It's here, and you can say not now. That's it. Or maybe you can skip this part and take a server. Now you need to install a robot. Your profile has been created. Your server is here. So now you need to create a robot. You need to go to midjourney.com, and the one you created here, you need to link it with this one. So now you press this one, join the beta. Alright, and now press accept invite. Here you need to verify again. Alright, you are here. It is not yet completed, so you need to verify some other steps as well. Now you need to add this server and robot together, and for that you can choose any of these one. Now here it is important, you have so many servers, 103 and 133. You choose any server to link that bot with this server, and for that you just click on this one and you will see this Midjourney. Click on this one, and now you click on accept add server, and this one, the name will appear here. From the drop down list you click on this one, continue, and that's it, authorize. Alright, once again accept. Alright, so it is authorized, and now you can see that server has been created. Now it's time to create your own toddler or your own picture like a kid. For that, press the / then type imagine, and then there would be a prompt here. You need to press these 2 semicolon, and then you need to type with the commas. For example, tech tutorial, kid, computer, and tired. I want this kind of things here. Then I can hit enter to send button, and here first of all you need to accept the terms and conditions. So once you are all set, you just go to this chat option, and here remember that first you accepted those terms and conditions. Here is a plus button if you want to make the toddlers of your own picture. So upload a file, and here I have my own picture that is here, and I can rename this one as well. If I double click or click on edit, and I can rename it as 𝒐𝒄𝒊𝒂𝒍, and that's it. No need to write description. So once you are done here, you just first upload this picture, and you can also search these pictures here at the side. You can simply type your name, username here, and you will find those pictures you uploaded before. So you need to wait for a picture to be uploaded there, and once it's done you can do the other stuff. Alright, so this picture has been uploaded, and now you click on this one, and now after clicking this one you need to copy this link first. Copy image address. So after that you just go back. Here you need to type / imagine, and this prompt click on this prompt or simply space and then semicolon and then paste the link of your picture, then put a comma and then the description, whatever you want to make out of your picture. For example, I have written some descriptions here and I can do it like this one, and that's it. You need to go back to your browser and here you can type whatever you want. For example, I want my picture neon tech 8K high definition discard. Remember, whatever you write in the end, these are dash or whatever you call it, space here, another space, and then V, and then space, and then 4. Remember to add this one in the end. Okay, once you are done, hit enter and it's gonna create something for you. It has started here, waiting to start. Because it's a picture, it's gonna take time. If you are not happy with the results, then try again and write something else. Look, these are the toddlers here. What an amazing result it has made out of the description I have written. So you can do for YouTube thumbnails and so many other things. I have made some of mine. So that's pretty much done. You can save as PNG file, and if you zoom in, zoom out, that's not a problem. If you go to your desktop here, look, awesome. If I zoom in, the quality is alright and fine, and it looks like me. Cool. I wrote something about like this one and uploaded my picture, a new picture here, and it has done this job. So it's not important that you write only these things. You can see that there are so many people writing this kind of things. For example, you can write anything, let's suppose / and imagine and space and then semicolon, Trump dancing with Biden like a moron. Anyway, I'm not hurting your sentiments. 8K and then comma space, these 2 dashes, and then space V and then 4. Hit enter, find the results. And this is here. If I open like this one, this is web-based picture. We can also save it as a JPEG or copy this one and go to Adobe, Control V, and boom, here it is. You can now export it as JPEG or whatsoever you want. So this is quite simple, easy. Okay, so that's how you can make it. And if you didn't subscribe, then subscribe it today. And if you didn't like this video, then that's awful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.